Hey guys, today we will learn to find the value of this expression 1 by 25 times 300 square minus 305 times 295. To solve this problem, we will use a quick trick which needs minimal calculation. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Please like and share it and comment in the comment section. So let's start. At first, let's take a equal to 300 and b equal to 5. Now this is our given expression. Using these assumptions, we can rewrite this expression as 1 by 25 times a square minus a plus b times a minus b, as a is equal to 300, so 300 square is a square, as 305 is equal to 300 plus 5, so this gives a plus b, and as 295 is equal to 300 minus 5, so this gives a minus b. Now, as we know that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, so we get 1 by 25 times a square minus of a square minus b square. After simplifying this, we get 1 by 25 times a square minus a square plus b square. Now look that a square minus a square gets cancelled and we get 1 by 25 times b square. As b is equal to 5, so we get b square equal to 25, and this gives us 1 by 25 times 25, and 25 gets cancelled and we get 1 as our final answer. Thank you for watching.